Who is he?
He's Sandy.
Hey! Oh my god, it's just the perfect little twinkle.
It's so cute.
Look how beautiful our tree looks. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. This morning we are popping to Aldi's just to get some groceries. So we got some salted caramel fudge and of course the supplies for my Christmas roast chicken. If you guys are roast chicken lovers, the recipe will be in the description. So I just took some time out of my day to make a beautiful roast chicken for our weekend. Honestly, the house smells so amazing. So enjoy some clips of me making this chicken. Here she is in all her roasted glory. Oh my god. Literally so delicious. My mum popped over to help me make a homemade gravy because I'd never done so before, and I wanted to ask her rather than looking it up. I will leave in the description how she does this, but this was the best gravy I've ever eaten. I'm not a big gravy fan, but oh my god, my mum's gravy, the best gravy in the world. And look at dinner. It is literal perfection. It is time to get a little bit creative. We're making our own Christmas ornaments this year and we decided to go with gingerbread. So I'm actually going to paint each of my family members into little gingies. Now I'm also painting myself and my sister is helping with doing their little cardigans and jumpers. So enjoy this little artsy montage. I hope this inspires you to do a little bit of art or get a little bit creative this Christmas. So we have my sister, my brother, my other brother, my grandma, oh my god, me and my mummy. Good morning and welcome to the third day of this vlog. My mum and I are popping to Woolworths just to get some supplies for some Christmas cookies. I had to get some pre-workout and things like that as well. And then me and sis are going shopping at, of course, Kmart. Kmart had some really cute things this year. We do think we're going to come back for that gingerbread soap dispenser. We did have to get a rug for our lounge room floor, and then we went through the candle and book section.
That smells really good. Okay, so we're getting Frankie a little fit. Got this one, or this one. I'm gonna go for this one. That is so aesthetic. The healing hippo. The wedding people. Guys, I read this book about 2 years ago. Literally cried and laughed. If you like biographies and things like that, Miriam Margolyes, she'll have you crying, laughing, throwing up, being lesbianic. Oh my god, her little face on the back. You're late for herbology. Paper. We have matching PJs. These are honestly so cute. Cat PJs. We seem like crazy cat ladies, which honestly we probably are. We're going to get a kitten, but that's not going to be until like the middle of next year. We got our Christmas pajamas for this year, which I'm really excited about. This is so cute. Like the fabric is really nice, and all of like the little cat elements, like I'm obsessed. I can't wait to see Sissy in her pajamas. I know she's gonna look so cute. Look at us! We're so cute! So cute. And they're so soft.
It wouldn't be a Christmas vlog without some Christmas movie time. We popped on Last Christmas, which is such a beautiful movie. We popped some candles on and I decided to make us some beautiful Christmas cookies. The smell of these cookies just radiated through the whole home. It was literally magical with the combination of cookies and milk and the smell and the movies and the Christmas lights. It set all of the vibes for Christmas, and it truly has prepared my sister and I for all of the Christmas energy. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I will see you guys in my next video. And of course, the biggest Merry Christmas from me and my family.